French Drain Man is a licensed building company that offers full-service drainage to the residents of Rochester Hills, Michigan. Whether it's burying your downspouts and building you a roof runoff system, a yard drain system, a French drain system, a sump pump discharge line, broken repair and replacement of sewer lines, we are full service. Give us a call today at 248-505-3065 for a professional drainage company knows how to do safe excavation with skilled machine operators and commercial drainage products. Give us a call. We lay down plywood so we don't harm your property. We replace all sprinkler lines and turf grass that is damaged. We reassemble your landscape, rebuild your sprinkler system, and we go ahead and put your turf grass back the way we found it.